TH. Break my solar panel, that was supposed to be where the funniest part of the film was. Well, enjoy nothing, dirtheads. And enjoy your last moments. We have a bomb above the theater. Hello? Yo boss, I'm hovering over the theater. Do I drop the bomb now? Almost. Wait till I'm out, okay?
Pop, you can't keep me out forever, Thunder Baby. P50.
Psycho bitch.
What the heck are you doing here?
Me? What the heck are you doing here?
I'm gonna marry Thunderbolt.
No, you're not. I was gonna steal his parallel universe machine and screw everyone over in other dimensions.
But I got here first.
But I'm smarter than you.
No, you
No,
are
you are
the
And over here is the main processor. What the heck? Fuck. God, you're solenoids.
Hey, give those back, you jerk.
You heard her. Give those back to her now. Make me. Holy Thunderbolt. Whoa. La la la. Holy crap. I'm yellow again. What happened last night? I peed in you last night.
There's something on your face! It was pain!
Hey. What the heck happened to the ball? I blew up the ball.
Stop doing that, or I'll eject you from the park.
No.
Well, Mad Lobby, you won't get away with this.
Yes, I will. P50, what are you up to? No good. That's what. That is so nasty. Excellent. Now off to the prison. But of course, I gotta get back in disguise. Hey, watch this. Hey Vortex. Someone left us a box of M10 What the f are we waiting for? Let's drink up. You all work for me now. You are now all shoplifters, vandals, and etc.
Oh, play 4008. Wait, what are you doing?
What the heck is your problem? That'll be ours now, thanks. Ours? Why are there so many stupid wires here? Whatever. That's it.
What happened? Some is messing with the wires.
Crap. Someone's coming.
paid. You better stop, otherwise you'll be sorry, and this'll be your last.
Where is my cell phone? You mean this? Now you'll never get out. Now I gotta take a dump.
Now we are screwed.
Now I need to put this error in a learner's computer. Okay, and send. Okay, let's watch some videos in my computer. What the heck? I got an error. Oh my god. P50 is on it. We interrupt this program to bring you a P50 error. I need Tempest Cola now. There's a mascara stick on fire. That is so much better. Oh, I feel weird. Now let's interview with P50.
Screw all of you. You deserve to be destroyed, you and your tornado sirens. There is no chance to stop me. You will clean all of this up, fools.
You all will be pizza and chickeny. You all will need surgery on your choppers and speakers.
We're all squished.
You all are so stupid cowards, and I will explode this firecracker until I'm out to 1,000 and the rest of the speech sirens. Any last words? Don't you dare explode this on me.
Don't you dare at all. I am not a coward.
You should not even live a good life. See, I blown away your dumb little boyfriend. That's what you get for being ugly and stupid.
Sick and boys.
If you won't give me a free drink, I'll steal one.
You gotta pay $1 for that word. Now I have to go find him. Wait, is he vandalizing the Thornball clubhouse? You jerk. Stop breaking the windows.
Shut up.
If you pull the freaking fire alarm, so help me, I will ban you for life.
You can't hurt me.
To show you the power of fidget. I kicked you to the wall.
Crap. I shouldn't have said that.
Hey, what is that? What? Hey, what the heck are you doing? Hold on. Thunderbolt. Are you okay?
That's what you get for not inviting me.
ATI, blow up those speakers.
That song sucks anyway.
Let's cover you up with explosive diarrhea once again. But first, I'll throw hot vomit sauce in your eyes.
This party is so awesome.
Hey, what do you say?
Screw you. Get out of my way. Now I will make this tempest pool explode all over you.
Don't you dare at all, you big paint bucket.
I'll turn off the fans and coolant to start a meltdown. Whoops. I accidentally turned off the lights. Oh, let's see here. Where's the power switch for the lights? Whoops. Sorry. It is pitch black in here. Oh. Is this it? Hold on. Oh, I seem to have landed in the sink. Oh. Here's the light switch. I am in the toilet. There. Now that I am out, I am going to start a meltdown. Hey, stop right there. Screw off, I broke the controls. Oh, this is whale with very bad warning. The city of Milwaukee will have to evacuate immediately. The reactor core is about to melt down.
Holy crap. I gotta warn everyone.
The core is at 3,200. Warning. The core is at critical. All reactor core safeguards are now non-functional. Please prepare for the reactor core meltdown. Oh my god, I need to run out of this place. Everyone evacuate now. Yes sir. We need to get to the Mitchell Airport in Milwaukee. Oh no, run. Everyone run, the reactor core is going to explode.
Oh shoot, I need to run.
Everyone to the Mitchell Airport. Everyone onto the plane now.
Yes, sir.
Wait, is that Screamer? I gotta save him. No. You get in the plane now, you moron.
Guys, no.
I can't believe it. Everyone's scared because of my brother.
We are stuck here. True.
Warning. The reactor will explode in 2 minutes.
How the heck can 2810 predict the future like that? What the heck is happening? Oh crap. The reactor core is going to explode. I need to get the heck out of here.
Oh my god. Holy freaking god. I gotta take cover. Here's the basement. Everyone get out of here. This place is not safe. Let's go, learner. There's no time.
Oh crap, I need to run faster. Too late. Oh god, I hope I won't die.
Oh my god. We're looking. Milwaukee being destroyed by the explosion. Oh crap. WTF? A learner. Do you have any fidget spinners?
No. I just sold the last one to that to T22.
Are you me? How could you sell that thing to a weak piece of I am the loudest tornado siren in the world and you don't have any fidget spinners? You moron.
Please. Calm down.
No. You can go yourself. God. Unbelievable.
Let's do this.
DTI. Unleash. Hello.
Copy that. On the way.
Everyone now. Before you get hit by a dude. Yes, you. Oh my god. They are fighting back.
P50's. 1 hour engines is smoking. Oh god. It's hardly crap.
OMG. We are going down.
To the bottom of the sea.
Now it's time to get that can of Tempest Cola. Perfect. Now to write a note. Alright. Now, to take it to Thunderbolt. Ooh, a Tempest Cola. Wait. A note. For my Thunder baby, from 1003. Oh well, I might as well drink it. Look at him choke. Look at him suffer. It's so much fun causing trouble. Hey, what do you say? Get the out of our lives. Several hours of crawling through literal crap to get here, but this revenge will be heck worth it in the end. More See ya later, fools. What the heck is going on? Oh my god. It's a nuclear missile. North Korea just launched a ballistic missile at us. Oh crap. You're all see you in hell. You're next. Jeez, maybe sending P50 to North Korea wasn't such a good idea after all. You did this? Well, me and a few friends. Peekaboo. I see you. Peekaboo, you're going to the ICU.
No wait. Holy crap. You burnt him to a freaking crisp.
I don't care. He sucks anyway. You P50. I'm a fire in my ladle!
Hey. Stop them now.
Got it.
Now it is time to strike when no one is watching. Okay, I'm in. Time to pinch off the water lines. Ta-ha-ha-ha. This will be fun to watch. All the pipes are pinched shut. I can't move them. And the shut-offs are jammed. What is that noise? The tsunami. Holy crap.
Oh no, the tsunami. I gotta warn everyone.
Yes, bring on the action. Holy crap. That lady sheep. It's destroying everything. There. I got it. I finally shut it off. All the park is ruined.
What's that sound? Oh no. It's a fighter jet. I gotta alert the crew. No. That's the signal. Everyone to your stations.
I'll take the cannibal. I'll move the jet.
And I move the cannon.
I'll move pipe it off with the jet.
And I'll be in the tank down here in case things go awry. You fools, you thought you killed us. But those were imposters we set up to trick you into thinking you vanquished us. So you just destroyed a few dummies. Ready to deploy the stink jet? Ready. Oh wait. What? They have a lot of defenses. Well then let's fire the stink jet and the crap cannon. Before it's too late.
You're right in my sack, barf bucket.
Let's do this.
They are firing back at us. Let's cheese them. Oh crap. We've been hit.
What? I thought you weren't gonna cheese them.
I was, but the stink jet just took the major hit.
P50.
What? Oh my god, now our engines are dead. We're going down. Abandon ship. Abandon ship. Curses. Foiled again.